Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart. We're going to go over here to look at this on widescreen, and we can see very clearly Bitcoin is not giving up here. It keeps on kind of going down, it keeps on getting pushed back or rejected at this $39,000 level. But as you can see here, this is a 4-hour chart, as you can see here, it's tried about, it must be 12 times over the last, since the 4th of March, has tried to break through $39,000 and it's just not doing it. It keeps on getting rejected at $39,000. But the fact that it is still trying and it comes down, and I spoke about this level yesterday, this $37,000 level yesterday, and it's bouncing up from there. Now I did think it was going to go down to 35,000. It seemed inevitable that's what was going to happen. But it keeps on bouncing from this $37,000 level as well and keeps on getting rejected at 39,000. My thinking now is it's going to break through. It's going to break through that $39,000 level kind of short term, because it's tried it so many times. If we look at here, 1, 2, 3, it broke through it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times, 11 or 12 times since the 4th of March it's tried to break through. It didn't break through it convincingly. Back here it did get up to 39,694, but I think a more robust breakthrough is coming for Bitcoin in the short term. So if we break through this 39,000, that puts us right back at the kind of level of 39,000 to 45,000 area. So we're in this kind of big no man's land here, where we could say going back up to 45,000 from here. So unless there's any bad news, obviously if there's really bad news in kind of Russia-Ukraine kind of conflict, if there's really bad news there, then we're straight back down and we're going down to that $35,000 level that I was talking about, possibly 29,000. But for the moment, short term, this could actually break through the $39,000 level. So I know it's a lot of ifs and buts, but that's what crypto is, that's what TA is. But basically what we're looking at is just supports and resistances and very basic TA level. If it goes above 39,000 and stays there on the 4-hour, then we're going up further. If it's below 39,000, then we're kind of bearish again and going down to 37,000 or even 35,000. So 39,000 is a key level. Okay, until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.